Hey guys, today we're going to make a small flower arrangement with mixed flowers in a vase like this. It's called the C99. It's going to be a mix, so watch along and you can learn how to green your vase and then add the flowers all around for a beautiful, simple, easy arrangement. So I'm going to take my leather leaf greenery and I'm going to create a little bundle. So what you do is you get your greens and you're going to weave them into each other. And I use a knife. I don't like clippers anymore. I have more control. So as you can see, I'm creating almost like a spiral bouquet, but they're weaving into each other. That's what's going to hold your stem so you don't have to put tape on the vase. I don't know, some people like that little thing, but this is how I do it. And I use my knife at an angle, and you're putting it into your vase. So this is a nice strong support.